Hey, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching me and your location. My happy family, my billionaires. Remember, I posted a video. I said I'm going to teach you how you are going to make money. So, without taking any of your time, I'm going straight to the point. So, it's going to be divided into two. So, I call them how you can raise a standard and how you can also maintain a standard. But before I go further, please follow my page, share, like, tell your friends and family about this page that they have a lot to gain. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching on YouTube. I love you so much. So, straight to the point. I'm talking about how you can raise a standard. It's not going to be so easy for you that you want to raise a standard. What I mean by raising a standard is you are in one particular level and you are no more happy with it. You want to change it. So this is where money comes from, because they cannot be changed without money. So that is why you have to learn how you make your money. Okay, you learning how to make money. Is there any woman being that is not making money already? No, everybody's already making money. But the only problem we have is how we can raise the standard, how we can go to that place that we want. Probably, maybe for example, you are a millionaire and you have been dreaming now you can become a billionaire. Or probably you are somebody that earn all the days of your life, all you talk about is 100. You have never talked about millions, and you have been dreaming that how can I talk about millions? The job is not changing and the economy is getting worse and worse. Am I sure I can ever get to the point of million except miracle happen? Yes, miracle can also make you a millionaire, but at the same time, even you yourself can also still make yourself a billionaire or a millionaire. So this is how you go. For example, you want to raise a standard now, you have to cut off some particular group of people out of your life. These people, I call them money suckers. Who are the money suckers? Your friends that depend on you unnecessary. Most of your family that depend on you unnecessary. They are not sick. They can do one or two things and take care of themselves, but all they look onto is you, because they know that when they come to you, you are going to give them something. You need to cut off these people at this point of time when you want to raise a standard. The ones that you know that they have understanding, that you can talk to, you explain things to them, but not your real intention, because nobody can love you more than you love yourself. So you are going to put it to them in the way they can understand and also not be angry with you. Though not everyone, some will be angry, but you just have to do this. So this is how you're going to start it. The only two people that you can cut off is your mother and probably maybe a family man, a family woman, your children, and your mother, your parents, your immediate family. You can't cut them off. But you are also going to let your immediate family know that there is a new standard you are trying to raise, so they have to be with you. You cut off many expenses. Any expenses that is not necessary, you cut it off. Yes, because it's very difficult to change a standard. It's very difficult to raise a new standard. So you have to go through the pain together and raise it, because when you get there, you will all enjoy it together. I love you so much. Have you comment? Say something at the comment section. Say something. I love you so much. So you are going to let them know. Even your mom, if she's an understandable mother, you explain to her, you cut off her expenses too. Because for example, probably you are the one paying your mother rent, and your mother is living in an apartment where you are paying every year maybe 2 million or 3 million. You can talk to her, let her move to an apartment where you can pay at least 500 or 1 million naira to reduce the cost. I'm just using it for an example. I don't know how your own is. So this is how you cut off all the expenses and work towards that your standard. You save more and spend less. Then when you now get to that your standard, now this is where we talk about maintenance. This is where we talk about maintenance. You have gotten your standard. Probably it was a billion that you are targeting. You have gotten the billions. How can you now maintain this billion not to go down? Okay, we are going to divide this billion into three. We are going to divide this